Hey guys, it's YTA Marrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how I made $2,788 in revenue in the last 6 days. And you're probably here because you're looking to make extra money from home. I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do that. I know in today's world, a lot of people are out of work with the coronavirus. I work in healthcare, so I am not immune to it. You would think, oh, we have plenty of hours, but I work in a skilled nursing facility, and just a couple weeks ago I was getting overtime, and then in the last week or two, maybe 2 to 4 hours a day because they stopped all admissions, and it's just affected everyone's life. And so I wanted to share this with you, that there are things out there on the internet that are real, things that do work. And just a little bit about my story before we get into how I did this is I had been marketing online for 10 years, and then I got into some e-commerce and things like that, and that didn't really work out. And then I had to take a very, very long extended break from marketing because of some severe family health reasons. And I came back online in 2018, that summer, and I had gotten an email from another marketer about a program. And the first thing that I do is I always look it up, like I do a review on it. I do a search either on Google or on YouTube. And that's how I found my mentor, Joshua Elder. So, and I've had the most success that I've ever had online in the last 2 years since I followed the trainings that I've learned from Joshua Elder, and one of them is product reviews. So if we go to an incognito window, I'll show you exactly how I found Joshua Elder, because I didn't know anything about him. But I actually went to Google, and this is what came up: the 4% challenge. 4% challenge. And guess what? Here's Joshua Elder right here. 2 years ago, he put up this video. This is the exact video that I watched. And I just connected with him because he was a real person. He wasn't trying to really sell me anything other than the fact that, you know, the results that he got, and he was just a real person. And that's how I found Joshua Elder. And then I started going through his trainings, and like I said, I've had the most success that I've ever had online in all my years combined in the last 2 years because of what I've learned from Josh. And I've learned how powerful YouTube is, because that was the vehicle that I used to get the results that I've gotten, and I learned all this from Josh. So these results that I've gotten in the last 6 days were from a product review. And the reason why product reviews work is because, if you do them right, is because people just know that they can trust you because you're out there giving them information that they want to find on whatever they're looking to buy. And most people who are doing a review, that's the last part of their search. So that's where they're looking to buy, but they just need a little bit more information to help them make their decision, and that's what you're out there to do. Now, people can do things the wrong way as far as product reviews, and that is just doing a review in order to make a sale. And I believe if you own the product that you're more credible, first of all, but I don't believe in trying to sell something that you don't believe in and that you don't know that people will get results with. And that's why a lot of people say, well, I see your reviews, but you don't always have like a link in the description for people to buy the product. Well, if I don't necessarily believe, I mean, it may be a good product, but I don't know that people can get that greater results with it. And that's what I want to do, is show people things that I think they can actually get results with. So I did a product review. Well, if you go to my channel, you'll see, and you just search review, you can see all the reviews that I've done. And probably only a handful of them do I promote, because again, I don't just put a review up because I want to make a sale, but I want to help people to actually know what's good and what's not good. So the way that you can make money is you can do internet product reviews, you can do MLM reviews. And again, you don't have to put a link in the description if it's not something that you want to promote. But you can build your email list that way by putting your top recommendation down there. That's how I've built large following through email marketing. But let's say there is a product that you absolutely do believe in and you want to promote it. Now, the way that I found this product right here, the YTA Method, was actually I was on Facebook and I saw a Facebook ad for it. Now, I was going to buy it anyway because that's going to be my top thing for 2020 is to get more YouTube channels going, because again, in today's society, I think everybody needs passive income because there's so many people out of work. And I think that YouTube is the best opportunity for everybody to make money. You don't have to have a branded channel and put your face on it. That's what this whole YTA Method is about, is faceless channels. Like, you find channels that are already getting good views and you model after them. You don't copy them, but you find out what actually is already working and they tell you what the best niches are. But what I did was I bought the product and then I did a review on it and I sent it out to my email list, I think a couple times. I also just posted on my Facebook wall the review video here. And that's basically it. That's how I was able to make that kind of money. And I do an honest review and I show people like what is in the product and what I think the pros and the cons are. And you know, people will say, somebody made a comment in the video comments that, oh, don't you think you're a little bit biased? Of course I'm biased because I think that it's a good product. And if I feel like it's a good product, I'm going to put a link so people can buy it, because people are out there looking for things that are legitimate. And just kind of an aside, it's so interesting, the comments that people will leave in my YouTube videos. I mean, a lot of them I'll hide because they're negative, but I just feel like in today's society, we need to build each other up. You know, we don't need to be tearing each other down. There's enough going on in the world. I just think that, you know, you don't know who I am, first of all, and to make, you know, mean comments, that's not necessary, I don't think, because I am a good person. Like I said, my background's in physical therapy. I've dedicated 30 years of my life to helping people, and I do that online as well. Like, if I think a product's good, like I really believe in this product, I'm going to leave a link to it, and if you want to purchase it, you can. If not, but I think just listening to the webinar, the free webinar, is going to give you all kinds of information that will open your eyes to, yes, I think I can do this. Because that's what happens, I think, when people get online, they just don't believe they can do things, or they've tried so many different things. But if you just like focus on YouTube, I think that you could get out of your job eventually. Obviously, you're going to have to put some time and effort into it. But I just wanted to share with you that product reviews absolutely do work. And like I said, if you go to my channel and just search here review, I've made tens of thousands of dollars from product reviews, not necessarily like this one I don't believe in, you know, not necessarily from what it is that I'm reviewing, but that people start to follow me and they know, like, and trust me, and they join me in another program or you know, something else that I'm promoting. So if you get really good at product reviews, that's one thing that you can do on a branded channel. But again, if you want to learn like how to do make YouTube videos that are not with your face in it, that's where I would recommend the YTA Method. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you want to learn what I have learned as far as how to do product reviews. That'll be the first link in the description below the video. The second link is to the YTA Method. You can watch the free webinar and learn how you can make money through Google AdSense, make money daily through channels that are earning money through ad revenue. And it's not as difficult as you think it is. And I think, again, it's something that everybody can do, and everyone is looking for another source of income. So I wanted to let you guys know about it. But I wanted to share with you how I made that $2,788 revenue. And again, it's going to be more than that because some of them are double payments, so they'll pay again next month. But if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. I am a real person. I do answer my comments. I had somebody make a comment, oh, she didn't answer that question, because I don't remember what the question was in the YTA Method video. Well, here's something as far as judging people. You have no idea what someone is going through. You know, maybe someone passed away and they can't answer their YouTube comments right away. I mean, to judge that someone is not answering for a certain reason, you have no idea what someone's going through. So again, I just feel like we need to be nice to each other, build each other up. And I appreciate each and every one of you, and I wish the best for each and every one of you. So with that being said, this is Marrow signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.